If you began 2026 with the New Year's resolution to finally start your online business, but here we are in mid-January and you still haven't really started yet, this message is for you. You haven't failed. You're not behind. You simply need what I like to call resolution rescue. And today I will show you exactly how to gently restart at your pace. Welcome to the Golden Age Lifestyle, where we help seniors over 60 build meaningful online businesses calmly, confidently, and step by step. At the end of this video, I will give you access to a completely free tool. Let's call it for your resolution rescue tool that will give you a complete guidance on how to get started with your online business project. No more question marks to bend out, but totally clear action steps so your dream business for 2026 can get a flying start already today. Let's talk honestly. Many seniors began the year with big hopes, but then life stepped in. Technology felt overwhelming, or you simply didn't know where to begin. And that's completely normal. Resolution rescue is not about pressure. It's about kindness and making you feel supported and safe as you restart your journey. Resolution rescue means small steps, simple choices, gentle learning, your pace, not anyone else's. Your wisdom is an asset. Your story matters, and the world needs your voice, your experience, and your perspective. You can make a difference. Here's how to restart today. Reconnect with your why. Choose one business direction. Do one small task today. Work calmly 20 to 40 minutes. Encourage yourself. That's enough. Choose one platform, one audience, one message. Clarity creates confidence. No more guessing, no more doubts, no more fear. In a link in the text below, you will get access to our free Resolution Rescue training series. After the training series, you will have a crystal clear picture of what the next step should be to get your dream business up and running in record time. So remember, my friend, Resolution Rescue means this journey is still open to you. And if you would like weekly guidance, support, and encouragement, subscribe and join our community of senior entrepreneurs, because your future, it's still wide open. And I'm here to walk beside you. If you still are doubting about what business to create, watch this video to get an excellent idea, which actually was a business formula I applied 14 years ago. All the best, my friend, and until the next video.